Thrifting and Sunday home reset decorating for Valentine's Day. Hi and welcome. I'm so happy you clicked on my channel today. And it is Sunday home reset. And in this home reset, I'm doing a number of different chores and getting my home set for another week. We will also have a thrifting video from MCC Thrift Store. And I was pleasantly pleased because they had quite a bit of Valentine decor right out front, right where I like to see it. And they didn't have a buggy, so I had to use this funny little basket with wheels. But I just stayed close to the cashier, and soon somebody came and paid for their stuff, and they had a buggy, so I got to get a buggy. Anyhow, I really like some of this Valentine decor. I thought it was really sweet, that little wooden sign that says welcome on it. Yep, I picked it up. Spoiler alert. And we went back and looked at a few more things, and I just thought it was all prettily displayed with all the pretty red and using the red tablecloth and everything. And there were a few more things over here. There's a big plate there that says kiss me. And some heart mugs. And down below I spotted another big heart plate, and I really liked the color of that, so I thought that was great. Cute buttons, and if you notice, there is a lady at the till, and there's my cart. Yay!
Okay, this is, you don't want this one? Yes. Yeah.
Well, I'm looking at purses, thinking I would like to have a different purse because mine's bright pink. And there were a few, but they're $14, $15. I didn't really want to pay that much at a thrift store. Anyhow, I spotted this beaded purse, and I thought that was kind of cool. $3. Well, I got it for $3, and when I got it home, I noticed the zipper doesn't work. And then I noticed the handle. Some of the beads were loose and torn, and I didn't notice that in the store. But anyhow, I'm just going to use the beads. Not bad for $3. Can't remember. Oh. Well, and showing all kinds of different things. Let me know, what do you like and what do you thrift for? I just like to look at everything that's there and see what catches my fancy. And don't forget to subscribe. This dish that you're going to see right now, I'm not sure if it's an ice bucket or what it is, but it is crystal, and it was $1. I just don't have room for it, even though I love it. I came in here thinking I would like to find a white cushion, and I did find a white cushion, and it was $4, but it was also a red tag, which is half price. So I got my cushion for $2, and yes, I was very, very pleased.
It's a beautiful piece. Lots of frames.
Here's a nice shot of my white cushion. Well, this definitely made me think of my niece who is going to start her own YouTube channel, Leah Jet, and she is going to sell all kinds of vintage stuff, from necklaces to glass pieces to lamps, all kinds of stuff, and she really is looking forward to doing this. So this, of course, made me think of my niece Leah. And last Sunday's home reset and thrifting was done at Leah's house to show you some of the stuff as we get organized. So if you haven't watched that video, please go back and watch it. I have all my Sunday home resets and thrifting videos in a list. All you have to do is go there and look at the list and you'll find her. I thought this table was really pretty. I like the round tables, and the chairs were really nice. Can't remember the price of it, but I thought this would be fun just to show you what's in the furniture section a little bit.
There's my buggy. Those are pretty flowers and a nice ballhouse. Cool bunch.
Now for some of the clothing. I did manage to find a couple of pieces of clothing, and I noticed some more valentine decor up on the shelf, so I thought I'd show you that. It looks really cute. But I managed to find a nice pink sweatshirt and a nice burnt orange vest, which I will show you in my haul, which will be coming up right after this.
Okay, I just got home from my little thrifting shopping spree. I found some more valentine decor, which is really nice. I have this nice, they're wooden hearts, and they're painted red, and they have welcome on them. And then we have this nice sign that says, I love you more. It's just like a banner. Not sure where I'm going to hang these things yet, but the welcome I think I'll put on the door. I found this little red heart candle holder. Oh, I didn't tell you prices. Okay, the wooden heart welcome sign is $2. This sign was $3. This little candle holder heart is $1. I got some little heart buttons, and they're $1. And I got this glass, and I'm holder, and I'm hoping it fits behind so I can put my toothbrush and toothpaste in it. It was $2. And then I got these bins to sort out some fairy garden stuff and little stuff to put in my baskets. I got 3 for $1, and I got 2 of those. So that was definitely a good buy. And then I got this purse. A beaded purse. I just thought it was really pretty and really different, and I would like another purse. So I bought this one. I'm going to use it for a while and see how I like it. And I got this big red heart tray, and it was $1. And I really like the red that it is. And I also got a white cushion that's fluffy on this side. And it's got flowers on this side, so I can use it either way. And you'll see where I put that for our Valentine's decor. I got this fluffy or soft vest in the burnt orange, which will be nice and warm to wear. And I got a pretty pink sweatshirt. And the vest was $3 and the sweatshirt was $3, I believe.
So that's the haul from my thrifting trip. And I will add this stuff to my decor, and I will show it in the video Sunday Home Reset coming up next. So in this Sunday Home Reset, you're going to see me doing a lot of DIY things to put out for Valentine's Day, and maybe some little tiny tidies that I have decided needed to get done around my home, and it's a little bit of housekeeping. So right here I am painting a jug that I have, and it's got pink flowers all over it, and I decided that I wanted a white one because everybody is collecting white jugs. So I am making a white jug.
Paint, and I'm painting it all in one direction, so I'm going straight up and down on the whole thing. Okay, we got the third coat on. Well, there's always something to clean up, and I've been working on my craft room, just doing a little bit at a time as I'm working with projects. So now I am going to pick up all the garbage that I put on the floor. That's a flower. Okay, make sure you can see. Let's pick up the garbage. That's a good plate. Okay, where's my little... There we go. There it is. Get my little broom that I got from the thrift store. I think it's actually for a kid, but hey, I'm a big kid. a good tool.
Right here, I am changing my wreath up for Valentine's Day. I'm taking that ribbon off, and I am going to put some flowers in there for Valentine's Day, and they are called Queen Anne's Lace. Well, I got the wreath done, and I'm tidying up the mess.
Okay, I have a styrofoam heart. Okay, we're going to let this all dry. Okay, so it's all dried and I tucked it all in around. And then I just put a ribbon around the edge to trim it off nice. I didn't do anything to the back because it's just going to be laying there and it's just my decoration. So that's where the heart and the jug are going to be with the little heart candle holder. Okay, I emptied out this little space right here. Well, this was where my tea towels and stuff were, and I emptied them all out and I refolded them, and I also decluttered some. So there's a decluttering pile. I'm not sure what we're doing with those, but we'll figure something out. Some of them are good enough to be donated. Some aren't. So now I'm going to put all of these back in the cupboard. Okay, we got them all back in the cupboard. Put the decorative towels to the back. And then I can just move the tea towels to get the ones out for the season. And we got tea towels, face cloths, and hand towels out front because that's what we use the most. And that looks much better. It kind of looked like this before. And I'll do this one another time. Okay. That's my little video to show you what I've been doing.